Today we're going to be opening Hot Wheels again. And anyway, the first car that I'm going to be opening is Skydome. Oops. How does this thing? Oh. Okay, so what I like about this card is that it opens up like that, and you could put like little guys in there, and it says 1 and like words I can't read. Anyway, I like it because it's both of my favorite colors too. That's enough with that card. The next one that we're going to be opening is the
Jetsons.
The Jetsons. It's by a show, TV show. So what I like about this car is that it looks like a UFO kind of, and the wheels are like clear, and there's a little tail thing. And does this open? No, it doesn't. Anyway, there's a little control stick and these line things. No, I thought that was like a button. Anyway. The last one we're going to be opening is the twin mill. And it's a treasure hunt, too. That one was way easier than...
See the package.
So what I like about this card is that it shows the logo. I can't speak today. And the windshield is purple, and like you can kind of see the engine and stuff like that, and like the color and designs and stuff, and the wheels are purple. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!